Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today guys, we're gonna cook a awesome delicious potato and leek soup. Stay tuned guys, awesome delicious recipe. Thank you my old subscriber them and thank you my new subscriber them. Welcome to the family. Please give me a thumbs up to the video guys. Awesome delicious recipe, potato and leek soup guys. Yes my beautiful people, so this is for all the season, the potato and everything we're gonna use to make the potato and leek soup. Guys, I have a bag of leek already. Wash them, already cut them up already. Did have them in the freezer. So this is a bag of leek right over here, guys. I already cut up as I said before, and I wash them and keep them in the freezer. So if you buy them and you have them in the fridge and you're using them, just cut them up, wash them, put them in the freezer. So when you want them to use, you can take them out and use them. Okay, my beautiful people. So this is all the seasoning we're gonna use to prepare for the potato and leek soup, guys. We have a pinch of all-purpose season. We have a pinch of salt. We have a pinch of dry thyme. We have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 2 potato already peel them already. We're gonna use half of red bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper, 1 small sized tomato, half of white onion, 2 stalks of spring onion, 3 cloves of garlic. We have some pinch of pepper we're gonna use. We have some leek over here already. We already cut them up already. We have already washed them. They was in the freezer. Stay tuned, guys. Awesome, delicious recipe. I'm gonna cut up this half of onion. So I'm gonna cut up the onion too small. We're just gonna chop them up. Kind of gonna go in the pot. We're gonna use the blender later to blend them out. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna add in the vegetable oil first. So you can use any type of cooking oil for your preference, for your like. So just gonna add in the vegetable oil. So what we're doing now, guys, we're just gonna add in the half of white onion. Then what we're doing now, we're just gonna cut up the bell pepper, just like that, guys. We're just ain't gonna cut them up too small or too big. As I said before, when everything cooked down, we're just gonna blend it right out with the food blender. We just cut them up like that. Same with the yellow bell pepper. Just cut them up big, guys. Don't have to cut them up too fine, because we ain't gonna look off on a curry today and a brown stew. You never cut them up too fine. Just cut them up big like that. Add them in the pot. Spring onion, same thing. We're just gonna chop them up. We have 1 medium-sized tomato. It's the same thing we're gonna do. We're just gonna cut them up just like this. Garlic. If you don't have a food blender, guys, just grate the garlic, or you can crush your garlic, or you can finally chop your garlic. We're gonna give this a nice stir. So it's on a medium heat now. We're gonna turn up my stove a bit. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the leek. Drop me a comment, guys, if you ever have leek soup before. If you have potato leek soup before, drop me a comment and let me know. Anybody ever have it before? Tell me how you like it. Tell me how you prepare it. As I said, this is a very easy recipe. Anybody can try this recipe. If you're at home or you want something different, you want some soup to drink, you don't want to put in a yam, you don't want to put in a potato, you don't want nothing like that. You just want something different. This is a very healthy soup. So this there on the fire for the last 3 minutes, guys. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut up the potato, add the potato in. So now I'm just gonna cut up the potato into some nice slices, not too big, not too small. As I said, you don't have to cut them up too big or too small because these gonna blend right out. So I'm using one large potato and one medium-sized potato, guys. Just add in the dry thyme, pinch of salt, all-purpose season, and I have in a pinch of pepper. You can put in Scotch bonnet pepper if you want, guys. If you can take the tolerance, put the Scotch bonnet pepper to your tolerance. But I ain't gonna put in no Scotch bonnet pepper today. If optional, if you want to put in Scotch bonnet pepper, it's up to you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is give it a nice stir. On the stir and all of that season to combine with these leeks and potato soup. It's gonna add in some water in that now and put on the lid on it. Give it a nice 10 minutes, let it boil right down. Oh, I can smell the flavor in this already, guys. Gonna put the lid on that. So I'm gonna add in some water now, guys. So this is 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add in another 3 cups. So add in another 3 cups of water, so there's 6 cups of water totally. So now I'm just gonna put the lid on it, give it a nice 10 minutes to cook down, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, so this been cooking on for the last 13-14 minutes. So to give it a nice stir, guys, what I'm gonna do now, give it another 2 minutes, and then after that's just gonna use my blender and blend it up. What I'm gonna do now, before I do that, I'm just gonna add a little bit in my hand to taste it if you need any more salt. So put in the salt for your tolerance, for your like. A lot of people don't take salt, a lot of people like a lot of salt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, have a little bit in my hand. So for me now, I'm just gonna add a pinch more salt to that. So yes, guys, so this is cooking on for the last 15 minutes. So it's ready to go now. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna blend it up with my food blender. Meanwhile, the cooking, guys, I'm just gonna blend it right up same way. So look at that, my beautiful people. So I finished blending it out. Leek and potato soup, guys. This is all finished, guys. Look at that. Not too thick, not too runny. Awesome, delicious recipe, guys. And please give me a thumbs up for the video. Beautiful, awesome, easy recipe. This is all finished, my beautiful people. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen. You know that when you come on to Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're always doing something new. So please give me a thumbs up for the video. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please check out the channel for the rest of the awesome, delicious recipe. I have over 300 different type of recipe there, guys. So please check it out, and please like the video before you go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, walk good, lot of love.